The one and only.
I'd like to thank my sponsor, Nike.
Monster Energy.
Monster Energy.
Juliana.
Rudy Giuliani. I apologize.
Check out my plant, my website.
Rudy Giuliani just got up at the RNC and yelled at people for 20 minutes and said nothing of value.
He also recently said that there were no terrorist attacks before. Henry's head is going to be in
He
this.
stopped being the mayor of New York in 2001, so maybe he was out of the know.
Do a spin, 360.
Okay, do a spin. Get out there. Oh yeah. That's the one.
I did trade spots with you.
The one and only.
Oh god.
The one and only.
Wait, do it again. Round 2.
Suave.
Go up there?
Let me see that. Oh, you jump backwards?
They're big fat creatures that make fart noises for no reason.
This is weird jumping back. Make the same noise.
Except less.
Yeah, do it less of a back flop.
Was that better?
Yeah. Kill yourself, loser.
I can see that being like real.
It's happening.
Oh god, all over.
Throw it where?
Throw it to me.
God.
I tried my best.
Good try.
Thank you. I'm coming to you, baby.
How you feeling?
What?
How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Feeling confident. I'm ready to take on the Olympics. I forgot what they were called. Whoa. Damn, I can eat this. Daniel's like good. I'm gonna miss the gosh dang board.
Hold on, so I got... That's 36. Yeah.
I'm not counting.
Yeah.
I don't have to.
We play like gentlemen here, Daniel, not like bitches.
I'm gonna miss the gosh dang board.
Oh.
Give me another one. You have 4. I hit the board all each time. That's good. Every time. I didn't get any high scores though.
High scores. No bullseyes.